The US would acquire substantial quantities of the cryptocurrency to maintain as a reserve, much like the nation's strategic petroleum reserve. But there may be a more ambitious concept at work here, a dramatic change in the global economic system, where new actors and currencies start to play a bigger and bigger role. Designating the roughly 207,000 Bitcoin that the US now holds as a reserve to be held by the US Treasury is a more plausible first step. The US Treasury's approval, which is now opposed, and a change in the law would be necessary for any further significant Bitcoin acquisitions. From an economic perspective, one of the primary arguments is that an SBR can serve as a hedge to shield a nation's wealth from currency devaluation and inflation. Another widely held belief is that the SBR's monetary value may increase quickly, which would help to reduce the US national debt. However, the specific mechanisms are still unknown. Thus, this argument is still primarily speculative and unproven. However, some analysts worry that an SBR may erode trust in the dollar and cause volatility in the financial system. For instance, the dollar's status as the world's main reserve currency may be threatened if Bitcoin were to become generally accepted as a global reserve currency. By bringing private capital and the infrastructure might of private actors into a field that has historically been controlled by powerful nations and their currencies, these movements have the potential to completely alter the global economic order.